Hello, beautiful people. Maayong buntag. Good morning. Dzień dobre. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys are doing great. Pitsenyor, everyone. Guys, our Sinulog 2026 was in the house. We decided not to go to the Sinulog in the city because we're too old for that already.
Old for this crowd.
Yeah, too many crowd. They were estimating there's going to be around 1.9 million people that was in the city. Imagine that. Cebu is not that big and there's that crowd. So many people everywhere. So we were just watching the performances on the TV, which is a lot comfy, and yeah, it was enjoyable. Anyhow, I've enjoyed it. Robbie had enough. But I was watching the entire time and I really thought Bai City would win, but it was Toledo City. I did not watch their performance though. Anyway, congratulations to all the winners of the Sinulog 2026. It was actually really nice. And I was watching all the posts on Facebook, all the videos, reels. There's a lot of float as well. A lot of celebrities went to join the grand parade, so that was cool. Anyway, it's Monday today. I think there is no class because Scarlett doesn't have class today. I think it's always like that. Like Monday is always a rest day after the Grand Sinulog. So we are actually going to the city now and we're just gonna go to DIY. He wants to go there, check something, and let's see what we can find in the city today. Uy! Oh my god.
Saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you,
He's gonna go
but
to
I
school now.
want to
Getting budget.
get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
We are in KKV store in Ayala Central Block. I want to get some splashy toy for Sophia. But why is it so expensive? Look, 500, 900, 700. They have some nice cute stuff in here. Like, oh, this one's so cute. All this plush. Oh, they have Mickey Mouse here as well. See? Oh, this. They have Pooh. Oh, I love Pooh. And also this. Oh, one will be nice. They have this unicorn. See, 999. And it's very small. So we're just checking it out. Robbie hasn't been here. Where is he? They have this. How much? Oh, 479 for a small toy. They have puzzles, umbrellas. Where's Robbie? Oh, they also have snacks here actually. Look, sweet dried citrus, raisin. Oh, nice. Look at all of this. Here we have soaps in here. All cute stuff. It's good for gifts, gifting someone. There he is. It's all toys, yeah? It's all toys. Out. Out, yeah. We got that from the DIY. Oh, nice bag. I like it. Oh, guys. Very nice. Macho. Macho. We will use that for travel. First time for me also that this is like a buffet.
You say that you're from out of town.
So guys, we are having lunch here at Meet Together in Ayala Central Block. It's a buffet kind of hot pot and samgyup. When we entered, it was pretty overwhelming because you have to choose and get what you want to eat. This is what we have. So we have the grill right here. This is beef that Robbie is putting into the grill. How is the beef, honey? It's okay? It's a local beef. So we have a hot pot here. We don't even know what to put in there. We did not put anything yet because we have a time limit of 1 hour and 30 minutes. You can also choose 3 hours. We'll see how long will we last, but this is what we have. So you actually have to get everything from there. I'll show you what we have. Okay, the sauces are in here, so you can choose what sauce you want. Barbecue, shabu-shabu. This is the one I like, Thai sauce. It's the spicy one. And then all of the salad are in here. Robbie's getting some lettuce, kangkong. I think these ones here for the hot pot. See, we have the sotanghon, this hofan, potatoes. Oh, jimnyaki, tutay. And then we have here all the balls, the meatballs, caviar, stick, everything. So I think this one's gonna be for the hot pot. So you can choose. And then here we have a lot of fish. See? Look, we have salmon, shrimp, we have giant squid, salmon head. This is also good for the hot pot, I think. We have squid right here, pork lungs, intestine, we have liver, pork skin, gizzard. They have a lot of choices. Chicken, spicy, chicken with salt, barbecue, we have satay, pork belly, we also have hot dogs. It's a buffet, so you pretty much need to choose from here, and then you take it there to your grill. Robbie is there. They have ice cream for everybody as well. We have ube, chocolate, and strawberry. This is for the drinks. They also have cappuccino, coffee. What's that? Prebiotic soda. They have a lot of juice, cucumber, carrot, iced tea. And then they have Coke here, ice. They have kimchi right here. What's that? Kamote Q, papaya. And then that. They have rice, of course, 2 rice. So yeah, this is how the area looks like. We chose 1 hour, 30 minutes for 578 pesos per person. So Robbie is here. Ta-da! Should I get more pork?
I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I think I've waited.
Very good.
Hello, we are going to be cleaning the carport today. As you guys can see, Robbie is removing the soil. Every time it rains, all of the soil coming from here, it goes all the way to the carport. So, water is just staying right here because there is too many soil. So now, we're trying to remove it using shovel. See? Like all of this here are covered with soil. I'm putting the gloves because we're getting rid of all the stuff that you guys can see right there. So many. Right. Okay, this is how it looks. We have thoroughly cleaned all the mud, the soil, the sand, everything here in the carport. And we remove all the trash over here. So now Panda will be sleeping here. This is his plate, see? We also cleaned Panda's bed, and we're gonna change these curtains here with a black mesh. But for now, it's gonna stay like that. Look how clean it is now. See? We'll just need to put some cement in this too because it collapsed. The pressure washer was helping a lot because it removed all the mud. Okay, so where is Robbie now? He is in the water tank because he's gonna clean the water tank. We're trying to empty most of the water from it, so we put it here in the barrel. See, we got the green hose. Let's see, how is it looking? We're gonna have to turn on the water and off, I think. See, look. Hello! Careful, proszę! Bardzo proszę! He's using a brush to just remove the hard water. It's not as dirty actually. Before we had the filter, so now that we have the filter, it's not as dirty as last time. It's not coming out. Ooh. Hello, I'm opening another PR package right here. This is coming from Magnolia Chicken. Look, this bag is very useful whenever we get meat from the city because it's for that, like a meat bag. Ah, there's still more here. Look, spoon and fork. So this is what it comes with. They sent me this kitchen towel that has Solon family engraved in it. That's very nice. We have blue tongue. We have a timer over here. And here we have a plate as well. And they sent me their new variant for the chicken. It's actually the Magnolia Chicken Templados. These are all ready to cook, and these are the variant instead. We have chicken inasal. So they sent me two ready to cook chicken inasal. We have here spicy wings. That's very nice. And then we have here a cheesy chicken fingers, which is marinated boneless chicken strips. Ooh, I think this will be good, guys. Look, all you have to do is just to put it in the air fryer, or you just fry it. I think it will be great. Then we have here ready to cook fried chicken as well. So we have two. You know what? I have so many. They just arrived, same as the tender juicy hot dog. They're supposed to arrive for Christmas. This is a Christmas holiday PR package, but yeah, I'm not sure what happened, but there was like a miscommunication between the distributors since it's all coming from Manila. Well, these ones are coming from Manila, and then the chicken, since it's frozen, the distributor here in Cebu had to send it. But yeah, anyway, it's here. Thank you so much to Magnolia. I cannot wait to try them. These are a lot, so of course we're gonna have to share them to them.